Through this application, you can manage your office paperless. All your documents will be saved on server with latest security and encryption protocols. Here, you can track all your offices inward and outward and make available any document to client in few clicks. Here, you can also manage physical documents with file labeling system. The first page documents name master. Here you can define names for all the documents you handle in office. Documents will be tagged with this name. Here, you can also define document type from available options and can enable time period function for a particular document. That is, for any document like audit report, bank statement, there is the specific time period required. So, by enabling this option, you will get time period field on the selection of particular document name. In the documents list below, you can see the details of all the documents. This list you can also download in Excel format. Through File Location Master in this module, you can define a location of the physical file, as in where the file is kept in the office. You can also mark if it is in the active use or not. Below is the list where you can see the details of such files, and this data can also be exported in Excel. Using File Label Master, you can assign label to the files which are kept at a particular location in the office. In the list below, you can see the details of files with their labels. Next thing in Document Management module is Inward. Inward means the file or data which has been received at your office. By clicking New Inward, let's take Inward for Utopia solution. You can add the details of Inward files such as date, type meaning if the document is for client or for your office, Inward mode, group name, client name, mobile, email, and name of the person who has sent the document, and also some description required. And for tagging the employee, receiver has two scenarios in his or her hand. First, when receiver knows the exact employee who is working on that client service, then he or she will select only that employee. And in the second scenario, when receiver doesn't know the exact employee, then in that case, he or she will select all employees. After clicking the Save button, a pop-up window will appear where either documents can be uploaded or file location of a physical document can be assigned one by one. Notification of the same is also sent to client through SMS and email. Once the inward is done, it starts showing on the particular employee's dashboard under Pending Inward section. Each inward has to be approved by associating it with a task. And for the verification of inward, employee has to click on inward, which was shown in their dashboard, and then an inward verification window appears where inward is associated with its corresponding task. In case multiple employees get one same inward, and as soon as inward is verified by right employee, it disappears from his pending inwards list in dashboard as well as from other employees who also had received the same inward. Not only that, employee also have an option to select not for me in case the inward is not meant for him or her. Let's bound this document with bookkeeping services of Utopia Solutions. So now, all working employee for particular task can get this document from the job summary page, and inward will mark as approved. Next is inward list, where all previous inward reports are listed with corresponding details, and you can see them by selecting desired filters, and you can also take a printout of inward receipt. Similarly, outward means the documents which are going out from the office. In a new outward page, you can process any outward. You can perform outward for client, department, employee, or other people. Let's take one example for the client outward. First, we select client over here, then we need to select particular client for whom we are doing outward. Here, we can keep a record if outward way is telephone, fax, letter, courier, or personal handover. And we can perform email and SMS outward from here. By selecting email, selected client's email address will appear. You can add other emails by comma separation, and you can write appropriate details in subject and body part. Here below, you will find other three options. By selecting Add Document from Database, one window will appear with all available documents of selected client. You can attach documents to email from list by checking Document. By selecting Add Returnable Document option, list of all documents which have been inward as the returnable tag will show. You can select any document from the list and keep a record. By selecting Add a Document in Client-wise Document, all attached documents outside from software will be added to software under selected client. And if outward way is SMS, then selected client's mobile number will appear and you can send SMS in different languages. For SMS body, you can use pre-entered templates or you can write your own message. And through the above similar process, you can make outward to department, employee and another person. Next is Outward List, where all previous outward reports are listed with corresponding details. And you can see them by selecting desired filters, and you can also take a printout of outward receipt. Through multiple outwards, you can send email or SMS to group of clients in just one click. Here, you will get many options to get the desired group of clients. Here, we can also generate labels for courier purpose. In the multiple outward list, all previous outward reports are listed with corresponding details and you can see them by selecting desired filters. Now, there could be instances where you want to add any document without going through inward and verification process. This can be done manually by using Add Document Manually. Then, clicking on All Documents tab, you can see the detailed list of all documents for Office and also for clients. You can use given filters to see the data of your choice and it can also be exported to Excel. Now comes Document Tracking. It helps you track the documents of your client for particular service or task and also clients can be notified if required. By clicking on Document Master, you reach a page Track Doc Master where you can add the mandatory documents for particular task. It is just a one-time process. You can also get to know when was the document created and who created it. And we can use Add Required Doc tab to assign client to a particular task or put particular client task under tracking. And using Document Status, we can see if document related to a task have been received or still pending. You can also send email or SMS of pending document list by clicking on Email or SMS button. And using Check Status page, you can get list of pending clients as well as you can get details about all the sent notifications. And also, you can get list of clients for whom you have set document tracking facility for particular task.